Alright, I figured I'd show you where I'm at the moment. Here's the engine. It's not complete, obviously, but I got the block airbrushed. I still need to add the intake manifold, the starter, obviously the headers. Here's the headers. What I had to do here was I had to glue where they connected there and made sure that the ends lined up right. So I had to take, what I did was I took a clothespin and I kind of held it together like this to keep them in line, glued here, and then glued in this corner where they would stay, because they really didn't want to stay. And so got those taken care of. I've got the seat and the seat back glued together. I've got the two chassis halves glued together, plus the firewall is in, and I've got the part of the front suspension and part of the rear suspension in. All this is going to get shot semi-gloss black, so it's fine. I've got the proper roll cage for this in, are all glued together, ready to go. I'm going to paint that same color. Everything else that I've done so far has just been basically paint work. I did get the tires done, tires and wheels painted up, ready to go, so they're ready to go right on there. I did the lettering with a jelly roll pen, number 5. Turn it the right way, I guess. That's what I used on that. They work really good. So, you know, if you get a kit that doesn't have decals, or it's like raised on both sides and you want to just take care of it, it's pretty easy. And what I try to do on these, I don't know if it'll show up real good or not, but like on the O's and the D's, I try to leave a gap like it's a stencil. So I'll leave a gap at the top and the bottom just to kind of give it that look. I mean, I know it's not perfect, but you know, it kind of gives it a good little look to it. So I feel like these turned out really well. So, all right, I'm gonna get some painting done. When I come back, I'm not sure where I'll be, but we'll pick it up from there. I haven't done anything with the body yet, except for I glued the nose cone on. Other than that, haven't primed it or did a silver base coat first or anything like that on it yet. So let me get some painting done, some more assemblies put together. All right, so I'm almost done with the chassis. I got to put the radiator in yet, this front bar, the window net, the exhaust dumps, but the interior is done, the engine is done. I've got the drive shaft, everything in there. I just got to put, like I said, the exhaust dumps in there, and then it'll be all set and ready to go. So this thing's about finished up. I'll probably have one more video on this. I've got the body painted. Get this out of the way here and show you that. Yeah, it's turned out really well. Had a little bit of issue with the red. I taped too early, so, but I'm gonna polish that out, or do what I can to get it out of there. But anyways, I'm pretty much ready for decals on that. So like I said, this thing will be done. I'll probably finish it up tomorrow, honestly. So look for a video there for that. And my next video I'll probably just do, it'll be me putting on decals, honestly. So have a good one. I'll see you next time. I'd also like to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. I'm at 400 subscribers now. It's very awesome. I appreciate everybody that has subscribed and still trucking along. Again, I really appreciate it. It's very awesome of y'all. Thank you.